In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your DNS settings on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify Admin dashboard through the Shopify website. Once you're logged in, click Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the Settings menu, select Domains. Here, you'll see all domains connected to your Shopify store. Click on the domain whose DNS settings you want to view. After opening the domain details page, look for the DNS settings or DNS records section. This is where you'll find records such as A records, CNAME records, TXT records, and MX records associated with your domain. If your domain was purchased through Shopify, you can manage and edit these DNS records directly from this page. If your domain is managed by a third-party provider, Shopify may display the records, but you'll need to make changes through your domain registrar. Remember that DNS updates can take some time to propagate across the internet, so changes may not appear immediately. That's it. You can easily find and manage your Shopify DNS settings through Settings, Domains, select Domain. Thanks for watching.